Hey there, I'm Krista with WTI. Are you a hat lover like me, but you haven't found the perfect place to store your hats? Well, then you're going to want to check out this Pushaccas Macrame hat hanger.
The assembly of the hanger was very simple. I put it together myself in just a few minutes, as you're seeing here. The two rods just screw together, and then you can pull down and space out the macrame. The braided design is very beautiful, and it just adds a nice, soft, natural texture to the wall. Once you add the hats, as you see here, it looks more like wall art than storage. It's one of those pieces that really just steps up the style in the space. And even more, it's so easy to just grab a hat and put it on when you're heading out. Nothing's hidden or crammed away in your closet anymore.
This macrame hat hanger by Pushaccas is a unique and beautiful way to both protect and display your hat collection. So whether your style is Western, boho, or sporty, it'll just work. And that's my point of view.